The last set of signals that I gave using the WELDDS macro terminal have been amazing. Those trades are massively in profit, and we're going to review them. Then I'll also give you more signals that you can trade for the remaining part of the week. You can keep them running till next week and more weeks to come. Okay, I told you guys that the WELDDS macro terminal is a game changer for retail trading, and some persons have been asking how they can get the WELDDS macro terminal. For now, we're doing it based on invitation alone, and the subscription for the WELDDS macro terminal is $50 per month. But for the people that enroll this period, you can pay $50 and gain access to the terminal for 4 months. Okay, so if you check the description of this video and the pinned comment, you will see a paystack link. You make a payment of just $50 and you have access to the terminal for 4 months. After making payment, check the pinned comment and the description. You will see our WhatsApp. Chat us directly with evidence of payment, and we will give you the invite to start using the terminal. Having said that, let's look at the trades that the terminal is giving us. The last set of trades that the terminal gave us, one of them was Euro AUD. We started taking that trade around here. It is currently here. So from what I am seeing, this trade will continue to play out. But what you can do now is this. You can expect this trade to retrace a little. You can close some of the profit, but wait for it around the 61.8 Fibonacci level. This trade can actually push back to here before the next movement, because the downward movement has not yet expired. If you look at the daily time frame, we're expecting this trade to keep on running to around this zone before we will take our full profit, because this market is in a range. So if you come to the 4-hour time frame, what you see is just what I have told you. For those that took the trade from around here, you can move your stop loss to break even or take partial profit and wait for it to go back there. For Euro US dollar, this was one of the trade we took. Euro US dollar, we took the trade around this zone. Now it has moved to this point massively in profit, as you can see. But if you check the daily time frame, you will observe something. This market is ranging for some time. It has hit this support level and then it's retracing because the euro dollar has been in a range for some time. So what you can do, we took the trade from here. You can take your profit on euro dollar. If it comes back and break here, then retrace. We will look to continue the trend. But for now, euro dollar, you take your profit and you wait for next instruction. Other trades we took was AUD JPY. All these trades that I am reviewing, if you watch the last video, you will see them. For AUD Japanese yen, this trade on the daily time frame is massive. There is no need to start closing that trade now, because what we're expecting on this trade is more than 600 pips. So our first close of profit, just like I told you guys, we'll be keeping the trade to around this zone. It's possible it can come there. While we are doing that, we'll also be monitoring to know what the terminal is telling us. So that trade is in profit and you can keep it running. Let's look at the new set of trades based on the terminal. USD JPY is one of the old trades and the terminal still asks us to buy it there. So if you look at USD JPY, this is what we see. The trade keeps on in profit. I don't think there's any need to close that trade for now. You can see the momentum is strong to the upside. It's actually going the way we did. We took the trade around this area. For people that are following up those trades, you see that trade has been good. We can still expect a drop before the next push. Watch. If something like that happens, I will update you guys. Now, for current setup, you are seeing USD CHF, AUD JPY, GBP JPY. If you look at GBP JPY, for people that are in my WhatsApp channel, I dropped this trade yesterday, and from the moment I dropped it to this time, it's been in profit, and you can see that trade. For those of you that are not on the WhatsApp channel, check the description of the video. You will see a link to that WhatsApp channel. Once in a while, I drop signal. I also drop updates concerning everything that is going on in the community. That trade we took around here and it has been pushing in profit. If you want to join this trade, this is what you should do. This movement, I don't think it has completed, but it has already broken this level. So you can expect a retracement to 61.8 Fibonacci level before the next push. So if that happens, you can join that trade. So GBP JPY is a good setup. Another one is AUD CHF NZD USD. Where are we going to execute the trade? Now look at this. If you go to the daily time frame, this is what you observe. The terminal is recommending itself for us, and you can see the trend is clearly selling. From here it dropped, here it dropped. So for now there is no entry for us, but you can wait for it to push back a little before the next move. Look at this. You can wait for it around here, or you can use the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is my best tool for analysis. So if you take it from here down, expect it to push to 61.8 Fibonacci level. If by any means it gets to this point, you can execute the trade and continue to ride in that trend. We use the WELDDS macro terminal to execute the best trade setup. And this tool is so important that you cannot afford to ignore it. If you want to get the WELDDS Macro Terminal, it's just 50 USD for the next 4 months. Every week, every day, you have a breakdown of trade setup. And then what you can just do is to go and execute your trade and watch those trades. By the time they get to the take profit point, you take some of them partial profit. And when it is time to execute new ones, you execute. This is premium service that we're giving you at $50 US for a whole period of 4 months. So check the description of this video and the pinned comment. You see the paystack link. Make sure that it is from our pinned comment or the description of the video. Make payment and chat us using the WhatsApp link provided also. Once you do that, we will invite you to start using the terminal. We have already made more than 500 pips this week alone. So much money is still coming, and don't be left out. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and be a part of the community. If you have any question, ask me in the comment. I want you to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's see you in the next.